Hi, how are you? I have a new book to read. Hooray for birds. Let's learn about some birds. Can you imagine, just for one day, you are a busy bird? Yes, a bird. Hooray! Want to be a bird like that bird? The sun is up, the sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo! That's what the roosters do. Flap your wings, you can fly higher and higher up in the sky. Hop, 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 peck, peck, peck. See, that bird is hopping along the grass, and that's a woodpecker. He's pecking at the tree. We had a woodpecker pecking on our fence, and Grandpa was not happy. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. See the swan? Say, hello, darling. Then swoop like a starling. See the starling? Swoop up and down, swoop round and round. Scratch the ground with your feet. Catch a fly with your beak. See that bird? It's catching a fly. Stand very tall on just one leg. That's a flamingo. See how he's standing just on one leg? Can you stand on just one leg? You should try that, but don't fall. Say cluck, cluck, and lay an egg. See the chicken? She laid an egg. Catch a wriggly snake and stretch out your wings. Look at it. Open your beak and sing. Cha-la-la-la-la, tweet, 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 hum, 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 cheep, cheep, cheep. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. See the penguin? You probably saw a penguin when you went to the zoo. Run like an ostrich and go, go, go. See the ostrich running away. Show off your tail and puff out your chest. See the peacock with the pretty tail? You probably saw one of those at the zoo too. Then cuddle up close with mama in your nest. See the birds with its mama? Do you like to cuddle with your mama? What a busy bird you've been. The funniest one I've seen. You began the day cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say good night. To-wit, to, hoo-hoo. And that's all. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Love you.